all over each other. Let's get a good photo op for you. Let's get the pool out of the way. Girls out of the swimming pool. Come on out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now's the time where you pick the winners. Two of these girls are getting paid. That's nothing going on with nothing. I guess they want to line them up early. That's fine with me. We're already going over, so who cares? That's a big bunch of girls right here. A whole lot of ass from back here.